Hello, I am Aviva Lee in Jerusalem with the Friday afternoon recap for Israel 24/6 TV. Today is the 14th of December 2007, and it is shortly before Shabbat here in the sovereign state of Israel. I have a summary for you concerning a portion of the military activity of the sovereign state of Israel and their soldiers and personnel this week. In this week, Israel Defense Forces operated in the Gaza Strip in order to distance terrorist organizations, particularly Hamas, from Israel's security fence, and also in order to operate against Qassam rocket and mortar shell fire into Israel. During these operations, 20 gunmen were hit, 10 of whom were killed. And on Thursday of this week, an Israeli woman in Sderot was injured when a Qassam rocket was fired by terrorists. In several incidences this week, Israel soldiers were successful with their operations to impede attempts by terrorists intent upon carrying out attacks against the home front of the sovereign state of Israel. And an Israeli tank incurred damage this week when a Qassam rocket, anti-tank rocket, was fired into the sovereign state of Israel. Israel's defense force responded, and 3 gunmen firing anti-tank rockets were hit. As is now known, there was an intense response this week on Wednesday by Israel Defense Forces to continued Arab terrorist activity from within the Gaza Strip perpetrated against the sovereign state of Israel. The Israel Defense Force spokesperson described some of Israel's military responses. Those responses included the following action, and I quote, "During the past 24 hours, that would be Wednesday, IDF forces, with the assistance of the Israel Air Force and in coordination with the ISA, have been operating against terrorist infrastructure in the southern and northern Gaza Strip. The forces operated in order to distance terrorist organizations, particularly Hamas, from the security fence, and in order to prevent Qassam rocket and mortar shell fire into Israel. During the activity, the IDF identified hitting approximately 10 gunmen. During the activity in the northern Gaza Strip, the IDF carried out 2 aerial attacks against armed gunmen that approached the forces. The IDF identified hitting 4 armed gunmen, 2 of whom were killed. During the operation, IDF forces discovered and destroyed 3 Qassam rocket launchers. At the same time, the IDF undertook an operation against terror infrastructure in the southern Gaza Strip. In a number of separate incidences, IDF forces were confronted by armed gunmen, in which exchanges of fire ensued and gunmen fired anti-tank rockets at the forces. The IDF responded with ground and aerial fire at the gunmen who shot towards them. Terrorist organizations in Gaza, and Hamas in particular, have continuously been attempting to execute attacks against IDF forces and Israeli civilians, especially at the vicinity of the security fence that borders Israel. The IDF will continue to operate in order to distance the terrorist organizations from the fence and in order to defend the citizens of Israel." End quote. And that concludes my Friday afternoon recap of Israel's military response to terrorism, whose perpetrators were attempting to inflict damage and injury upon the population of the sovereign state of Israel. In closing, I congratulate the young Frenchman, Mr. Lemaire, who this week calculated the 13th root of a 200-digit number selected by a computer at random. And for those of you who have not seen the report regarding Mr. Lemaire's phenomenal mathematical feat, please know that the young gentleman in question did the entire calculation mentally and in less than 71 seconds. Mr. Lemaire's mathematical prowess was witnessed and documented by attendees at the London Science Museum. Well done, Mr. Lemaire. I am Aviva Lee in Jerusalem, reporting from room 903 for Israel 24/6. Thank you, and Shabbat